Do some Central Sip. All right, just gonna. Thank you. So it's okay. So it's spinach, squab. What's the sauce?
It's like
fried potato.
Yeah, squab jus basically.
Okay.
Like broken with some raw fat.
Okay. It looks really. I mean, it looks nice.
Vinaigrette on the spinach.
Yeah.
It's a liver vinaigrette if you want to try that on its own.
Okay.
So basically, take the squab livers, sear that off, put in rendered off shallots in that rendered off liver fat, then put in cherry vinegar and balsamic.
Wow.
Reduce that down almost to dry. Blend all of that together. It's a little dry.
That's okay though. I was just checking.
Yeah, that's raw spinach.
Okay, my apologies. The raw spinach.
Just seasoned with
Punched out.
vinegar.
Okay, gotcha.
And then fried potato, and then fried pickled mustard seeds.
Wow. Oh, so there's some acidity.
A little bit.
So Bordeaux might not necessarily. Well, I'll check it out.
I mean, that's pretty acidic with vinaigrette on
Yeah,
it. So
that's the hard part because like usually acidity inside of here, I'm gonna need acidity inside of the wine, but I'm gonna check it out. These are old enough that I think it might be okay, so I'm just gonna try the Clerc Mignon Bordeaux because I had this for the pairing last night, and I'll check it out. But it sounds like I'm probably gonna need to do something that has some acid because there's mustard seed. That's like boom, acid right there. So it looks. I mean, it looks nice. I'm gonna get this mustard seed on here. It smells nice.
Okay, cool.
A nice amount of acidity. Those mustard seeds are like punching.
Don't forget the gratin. The gratin is the vinaigrette made with the liver of
You guys need it? We're good.
You shouldn't have the seeds.
No, much more savory. Really good.
Thank you so much, Chef. This was amazing. It was really fun.
It's not my favorite. There needs to be acidity. It tastes like. I know that wine's not flat. It makes it taste flat. Super interesting. Now, San Josef doesn't necessarily have acidity, but I'm gonna give it a try. I was about to say I would cut that because the skin right now, just because they were doing it for the photos, it's not necessarily like rendered enough. The Bordeaux doesn't work now. It's because of the mustard seed. I need something acidic.
So what are you thinking about?
Burgundy, but I want to taste the Sancho stuff because I have it. But it's gamey.
It is.
I like the gaminess.
Oh, vous faisiez avec le bœuf avant,
No.
avec le bœuf, donc vous avez gratin d'épinards avec le bœuf.
I need to get a burgundy. So we have our Domaine Moyard. This is from Volnay, single vineyard de Clos de Chêne. So I just think that with the acidity of this dish, it's gamey too. I think that it'll work better with that acidity. It's definitely gamey. You have that savory meatiness of it. The gratin is great. It's a little young and powerful. I don't like this vintage for it, but I actually think that it works. And I'm gonna try a white. I actually think a white might work. What's up, dog? I'm gonna try a Burgundy. Let's just give it a whirl. So we got a Magnum, a Bouchard Merceau, Genevière 2018. Now, do I think this is gonna be perfect? Absolutely not. Am I willing to try anything? Of course. That's the goal here. It's just, you kind of want to find that special balance of everything. That's the goal. I do think that high alcohol kills this dish. Doesn't work well. It's a good portion size. That's a lot, I feel. This one's so good. I actually prefer the white Burgundy. Good dish. Can you taste this with me? So I'm gonna give you red Burgundy. I'm gonna give you white Burgundy. I personally think the white Burgundy feels better on my palate with this dish. I think that these are my preference. I do feel like the white Burgundy for me, you can simultaneously taste the wine and the dish, but the dish is really gamey. So like adding any of these, it falls flat. This is the Bordeaux if you want to taste it. That's what I, with the sauce, would go with. But because of the mustard seed on here having a lot of acid, make sure you taste the gratin too. And then taste whatever you'd like out of those. Maybe go white Burgundy first to see how it feels on your palate. Usually this is a red wine dish for me, but just trying something new, I wanted to accent the acidity in it. It's really nice. Especially, you didn't even have the gratin either. The gratin, there's not a lot of acidity. It's more like savory and unctuous. With the Burgundy, it's like, whoa, okay, like this actually works really well together. It kind of, in my opinion, the Burgundy, the white Burgundy, kind of tames some of the gaminess. But then you get a little bit of the oak structure with the Burgundy. You get some of that like toasted vanilla on the finish, which is really kind of nice with the dish. And you could try it with the red. Yeah, I agree. I do like it with that. It's a very gamey dish, bro. This is gonna be crispy, huh? The skin?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah,
I figured because of the shoot. Yeah. No, I'm glad I was able to get a taste of it. I do like the mustard seeds, like that nice fresh acidity really works well with the dish. Oof, that wine smells so good. Yeah, I feel like just for my palate, I feel like you can perceive the alcohol when you taste it with this dish. There's a disjointed alcohol, like your palate's trying to adjust to the alcohol of this, but then this is like really soft, and then you have that nice finish with acidity, personally.
It all melds together a little bit better with this.
Okay, cool. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. I appreciate you letting me taste it. Cool. Thanks, dog. Appreciate it.